So I'd say the role of financial technology in financial services is changing in many ways, but actually there's one important way that it's not changing, and that is the continued need to simplify the complex. For years, advisors have been seeking more streamlined solutions, and I think the pandemic has only driven that home further. The way that firms, wealth tech firms in particular, are responding to that need has changed. There's more acceptance of integrating with other best-in-breed solutions, better tech-forward, API-first technology being developed. Here at the Fearless Investing Summit, Aaron Klein, the Riskalyze CEO, will talk about ways that Riskalyze is kind of picking its spots. And I think it's really important for firms to understand what their core competencies are, where there are other best-in-breed players, and truly doing deeper integrations so that the data that comes from all of these amazing innovations can integrate and ultimately serve the advisor better and then serve the end investor better. And that is a trend that I think everybody needs to continue to invest in.